Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Tawit Teslim, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a sales funnel. You can be able to sell whatever it is you're selling online without having to beg anyone to buy. So, I'll introduce you to what a sales funnel is, and this video is particularly important to you if you are selling anything online. Either you have a skill you're selling, or you have a product you're selling, or you sell digital products online. So what this is all about is how you can be able to get strangers to like, trust, and actually believe whatever it is you're selling is for them. So what is a sales funnel? We're going to come back to that. But for then, what kind of stuff do you sell? So whatever it is you sell will determine the kind of sales funnel that you need. I'll soon explain what the meaning of sales funnel is, but before then, just calm down. So whatever it is you sell will tell you who your target audience is and how you can be able to easily reach out to them and know where they are located. For example, I work as a freelance copywriter, and I write sales copies and give help online businesses like you and other sophisticated online businesses sell their products and reach out to more people through my copy skills. So, and I believe my target audience are either on YouTube or on Twitter. So, my target audience are they are the CEOs. So, whatever it is you're selling will determine the kind of target audience you're looking for and the kind of stuff you sell. So, for people selling money making products, they can target younger people who are mostly either on Instagram or on TikTok. So if you're selling stuff to other people, for example, I have a relocation brand, like a travel brand where I recommend relocation courses and digital products. So the best place I run advert that actually works for me is on Facebook because that's where a lot of older people are. So like I said, whatever it is you sell will determine the kind of the place you will be looking to advertise your product. So what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is simply a step-by-step process that takes people from being a complete stranger to someone who is eagerly interested and desperately wants to get what you're selling. So it is different from trying to sell immediately you meet someone. So a sales funnel helps you to build what we know as the KLT factor: know, like, and trust. It helps them to know you, like you, and trust you enough to be able to give you their money. So I'll show you a quick view of what a sales funnel is. So there are different sales funnels. There are different sales funnels. A sales funnel can be something that basically runs like from the point of meeting. Let's say your customer is on Twitter. For example, this is my relocation page that I said. Basically, I run advert on Facebook. And it has really been working. I made a sale already within the first 9 days. So I wasn't expecting to make a sale in 30 days or 60 days, but I made a sale within the first 9 days. Running adverts on Facebook. That's because I know who my target audience is. Or let me say I was lucky. Okay, not surprised. So let's say someone sees my tweets. Let me check one of my tweets. Let's say someone sees a tweet like this. One of my students in my Jakbar location classes currently lives in Egypt. She works as a cleaner. She starts by 6 a.m. and stops working by 12 a.m. Barely 6 hours of rest. But she's following proven advice to get a job in Canada. High paying, better rest, more opportunities. Let's say someone sees this tweet and who's this guy? He has students on relocation classes and all. And comes to my profile and sees something like travel and relocation researcher. I help Nigerians move abroad fast and easy without paying fake agents or wasting money. So out of curiosity, that person now decides to click on my link. So this takes you to the landing page. This is what I call the landing page. The first step is the advert or content. So the advert is on my profile. So this is the landing page. When you get to the landing page, what the landing page simply does to your customers is to pre-sell them and show them why whatever it is you're offering as your lead magnet is worth trying for. Like I said, the main purpose of a sales funnel is not to sell to them immediately, but to get them to know, like, and trust you. So, in order to do that, you have to offer them what we call a lead magnet. A lead magnet is simply something they find immediately valuable. Maybe it solves an important problems of them or helps them to get an immediate desire. Okay, so what the land page does is to pre-sell them on your lead magnet. Upon pre-selling them on your lead magnets, for example, here I said finally is it finally released top secret video representation reviews, how to get your Canada job and work permit even if you only finished secondary school. So like that, I explained, I introduced myself, who I am, and all. So that's what the purpose of the sales funnel is. Then I introduced the person who created the video. I had a lot of credibilities and even included testimonials from some of our students. So like that, that's how it works. So once someone clicks on this button, it takes them to my WhatsApp. So from my WhatsApp, what they do is a request for the video, and upon requesting for the video, you say, "Hi, testing. I'm interested in the video, free video presentation that explains how to get a job and work permit in Canada, even if you only attended secondary school." So upon sending this message, I have an autoresponder I put in place that tells them save my number, then I send you the WhatsApp, the link to the video. Upon sending them to the link to the video, my number is already saved. So automatically they are already my audience. Anything I post on my status, they are most likely to see it. And with time, after seeing my status and getting used to me, they can be like, oh, this guy is genuine. In fact, I have people that insist on making video calls with me just to know that they are talking to a real person. So we get along and they talk about mine. For example, I told them about a student of mine who's working in Egypt. This is the student. This is the student. And we talked today and she's like, oh, I've watched the video. I'll get back to you. So, you understand? In fact, get back to you soon. So there are people like that. Some will not buy immediately, not because they don't trust you or they don't like it, but because maybe at that point in time they don't have enough money on them. Okay, so that's what the purpose of a sales funnel is. I believe right now you understand what a sales funnel is and you know how to put it in place. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my like button so you subscribe to my page so you won't miss out on the next video. Like I said, I don't know if I've said it before, but this content is extremely free. I just want to see it as a way of giving back to the community. All right, see ya in the next video.